Hello everybody, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made this really cute little charm bracelet using the Beebeecraft charms and their jump rings and then some Miyuki seed beads. I love the way this turned out. They're only one-sided, so you have to make sure, I'll show you how I did it so that they all go the same way. I think this turned out so cute. If you're not familiar with Beebeecraft, I've been working with them for about a year now, and they send me jewelry. They let me pick out stuff on their website, and then I do 2 tutorial videos for them and the unboxing. And if you are a YouTuber and you have over 100 subscribers and you're interested, I will leave a link below if you want to join their program as well. So, yes, they have so much stuff on their website, and I've been so happy with everything I've received from them so far. So this is the bracelet. Just a cute little easy bracelet, and you can use it with so many things. I used these little Miyuki seed beads that they had sent me. I wanted to add a little bit of green to the pop of the yellow, like that. So if you want to learn how to make this bracelet, then stay tuned. So I'm starting out with these little connectors, the little sunflower connectors. I'm going to leave links to everything below. Everything is from Beebeecraft. So I have these little link connectors. And this is what I'm going to do. I did one of them already just so that I could kind of show you. But I'm taking one of these 7-centimeter jump rings from Beebeecraft. And I will leave a link for this. I have one of these in every color from them. I have copper, antique bronze, silver, and gold too. And I love this because it's so easy when you're creating. You could just pull it out and pick which one you need. So I'm doing it like this. And I wanted to use, I'm using the green Miyuki seed beads from Beebeecraft. And I wanted to use green because it's kind of like this, if this was the yellow flower and it had leaves on it, it would be green. So I just wanted to add a little bit of a different color to that. And I'm putting 6 jump rings, or 6 Miyuki seed beads on each jump ring, 3 in the front and 3 in the back, just to give it a little bit of a different look to it. I think it kind of looks cool like this. Then I have 1 lobster clasp. So what I did was I took this jump ring, and I already did one, and I'm just going to open it up like that. Now I'm going to take, let me put some of these on here. I'm going to take 3. I'm going to do 1, 2, 3. So I put 3 on, then I'm going to move up a little closer like that. Then I'm going to do this. I'm going to put this on. You want to make sure that as you're putting them on, that they're all going to be going the same way. And then I'm going to do, I'm going to do 1. Now, of course, they went on fine until I'm trying to do it on camera. 1, and then 2, and then 3. So you have it like this. Then I'm going to take another one. So you see how these are going this way? And I'm going to take this other one and put it like this so that I know when it flips over, it will be going the right way. And now you want to make sure that that is totally closed. And then you have 3 of them together. So you see how, I think this looks, I love that look and that green in there, that little pop of green. You know, it's kind of like in between those. Okay, so now we're going to take another one, and I'm not sure how many. My wrist is 6.5 inches. When I was trying this out before I was filming this, after adding the jump rings, it gave it, you know, so I need less links. So I'm just going to measure it when I get to 5. 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to do one more, and I'm going to turn that one down. So when it flips up, it will be, close it. And here's 4. There's 4. So now we're going to do one more, and I'm going to measure it. And you can use bigger jump rings. You can add little charms in between. There's a lot you can do with these. So we're going to do 1, 2, and I'm trying to grab it from the very tip up there so that, because these are pretty loaded up, which I want, because you get the little pops of the gold, but yet you, hold on one second, that one didn't go on. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, now you get the little pops of gold of the jump ring in between, but you got that green on there. These look so fun, and you can do this with pretty much any connectors you want. Okay. Okay. So here is 5. So I'm going to say 2 more. And that should be it. Look how cute that looks. I'm loving this. Okay. I always use a round, I'm having trouble with my words today here. Round nose pliers, because a lot of times I'll take the things and I'll have to bend them to make circles and stuff, and so I use a bent chain nose pliers, and then the other one's always a round nose pliers, even though I know some of the beaters on YouTube don't do that. 1, 2, 3. Oh, 3. And then this one going down. Let me grab that. And I see if I could put my nail through it. If I could put my nail through it, then let me see. 5. Okay, so we'll do one more. And I'll do 3 on these. I would love it if you would hit the like button for this video while you're watching it. It really helps my channel. Helps the algorithms in my channel. Okay, and then the last one here, pointing down. And then we're gonna, oh, one fell on the floor. We're gonna do this again. Let me grab this up there. It's a little more. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Don't want to start giving me a hard time now that I'm almost done. It's hard because I usually have this a little closer to my head, but because I'm filming it, I'm trying to keep it below the camera. Okay, I think that's, yeah. Okay. There we go. So here's this. Look how cute that looks. So let's see what the length is for this. So it's 6 1/4. And I'm going to wrap it around my wrist just to see. Oh, this will be perfect. Okay, so now I'm going to take 2 smaller jump rings because I don't want, let me see, I'll take that one. I'm going to put these back. I don't know if this is the right size. I think this is. Yeah, okay. Let me put back the 7 centimeter ones. And I'm going to do a 6 centimeter. Okay, so now I'm going to open this up. Now when we put the lobster clasp on, hold on one second, let me get this open. So when we put the lobster clasp on, we want to have it so that it's pointing in this direction, so it'll be down, if that makes sense, when it's on. You can twist. Okay, so we got that. And then we're going to open up this one. And when you think about all those connector charms that you have with nothing to do with them, this makes it really fun. Okay. Okay. So now I'm going to, hold on, I have to come out of sight to put this on. I'm sorry about this, but I can't do this underneath the camera. Ooh, I'm sorry. Okay, there we go. Look how cute this is. I had to actually flip it over so I can close it up. But look how cute this is. You could get some of these in like more of an earthy color. You can do these with Christmas charms, you know, so you can use this for anything. I think it's just such a cute little thing. You can hang little tassels off of it. You could put other little charms on it. You could, if you have two-sided charms, like this is only one side, if you have two-sided charms, you could make this even longer and have this dangle a little bit down there. So it's just kind of a basic idea for something that you could do. So I hope you enjoyed this. Like I said, use my code BNJewelry10 for 10% off your whole order with them, with Beebeecraft. They're a great company. I've been working with them for, I think, probably a little more than a year now. So, so yeah, let me know down in the comments what you thought of this. And I will leave all my links to all of my social media below, as well as my Etsy store if you want to see any of my jewelry. And I will have another video coming up soon after this one is over. So you stay tuned, and thank you so much for watching, and you have a great day.